Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add Facebook page posts to Google Sheets. So here our objective is that whenever I create a new post in my Facebook page, then I want to add those post details in my Google Sheets and I want this to happen automatically. For this, I will create an integration between Facebook page and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook page. In action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today I am posting something on my Facebook page, and this is my Facebook page, which is called test page. And here I want to manage all my posts, and what I want is that whenever I post something on my Facebook page, then I want to add those details of post on my Google Sheet. And I want this to happen automatically so that it will save my time and energy. So for this, I will create an integration between my Google Sheet and my Facebook page. For this, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. This will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in. And you will get to see this page. So these are the tools that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now what we want is, we want to create a new workflow. For that, I will click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here, I have to name my workflow. So I will name it as my objective, which is to add Facebook page posts to Google Sheets. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I will select Home and I will click on Create. And it will take us to the most important window of my workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which my workflow works on. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we will set up our trigger first and my trigger application will be Facebook page. I will select this. And I have to give a trigger event. So for that, I will open this and I'm going to select this new post. So this will be my trigger event. Now I will connect my Facebook page with Pabbly Connect. For that, I'm going to click here on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection and I will connect with Facebook page. Now I will click on Continue to give access to my account. So my connection is successful. Now I have to map my Facebook page. So let's go back to Facebook. And my page name is test page. So I will map this in my Pabbly Connect. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. I will map my page here, which is test page. And I will click on Save and Send Test to Get button. Now it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this response, I will go back to my Facebook page and I will make a post. Here I'm going to post this photo. So I will open this and I will give a caption to this. So my caption will be capturing the moments of life. This is the photo that I want to post. Now I'm going to post this. So I will click on post. So here in my page, I have posted this photo and my caption is capturing the moments of life. Now I will go back to Pabbly Connect and here we can see we have this response. So this is my response and this is the link of my photo that I have posted. This is the caption, capturing the moments of life. This is my post ID and this is the type of post that I have created. So I have posted a photo. Now what I want is, I want to add these details in my Google Sheet. For that, I will set up my action. I will open this and my action application will be Google Sheets. So I will select this and I will give an action event. So I will open this, and add new row will be my action event. Now I will connect my Google Sheet. So I will click on connect. I will click on add new connection, sign in with Google. Now I will click on allow to give access to my account. And I have successfully connected my accounts. Here I have these details. So first I have to select my spreadsheet. So for this, let's go to my Google Sheet. And my spreadsheet name is Facebook Post. And I have 4 columns here: post ID, post link, post type, and post caption. And we are using sheet 1. So I will map all these details in my Pabbly Connect. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. So my spreadsheet is already selected, which is Facebook Posts. And we are using sheet 1 here. Now I have these details: post ID, post link, post type, and post caption. So for these details, I'm going to use mapping here. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous step. And the data that is changing in the response will get replaced here with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'm going to click here. I will open this response. And first I'm going to map post ID. So I will search for my post ID here. And this is my post ID. So I will map it here. Now I will map post link. So I will open this. And this is my link. So I'm going to map it. I will map the post type. So this is the type. And similarly, I will map the caption. So this is my caption, which is capturing the moments of life. I will map this. So I have mapped all my details here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on Save and Send Test to Kit button. And I have got this response. So this means that it has updated my Google Sheet with the details of my post. Now to check this, let's go to Google Sheet. And here we can see we have this details here. So this is my post ID. This is the post link. And this is a post type. And my caption is capturing the moments of life. So these are the details of the post that I have posted on my Facebook page. Now to check this, I will open this link. So this is the same photo that I have posted on my Facebook page. Now we'll go back to Google Sheet. So here we can see my integration and my workflow is working successfully. So whenever I'm posting something on my Facebook page, so the details of that post is adding automatically in my Google Sheet. So I'm managing all my posts here. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook Pages, and my trigger event was new post. Then I have set up my action, and my action application was Google Sheets, and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of workflow in my description, so you can check it out from there. Thank you. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.